Hey guys, for some reason, as you can hear in the background, I keep having false alarms now. So the video I posted earlier, the first fire alarm system test one, I am working on the next video for that series. That's going to be posted tomorrow, just an update. But I need your guys' help, because I was here kind of taking a nap, and the goddamn thing, it's in the scariest room of the goddamn house during night. The room is fine and beautiful during daytime. It is creepy during night. Thank goodness I have a light on in there though. See, it pulls, for some reason it automatically does that. But, that's all. If you have any comments or questions, please post those down in the comment section down below. And, of course, make sure to subscribe. Oh, also, we have a message. The fire alarm system series I'm going to do from System Test 1 to System Test 20. But it's going to be a big series, and I'm also, at the end of it, I'm going to combine, on System Test 20, at the end, I'm going to combine every single video camera, and alarm that I own in that room, and I am going to set them all off. I'm probably going to try to make even more alarms for New Year's and Christmas. I mean, my mind is set the same way. My channel started for the same reason. Basically, my channel started because of Exit Sign 250, Pickle 700 Systems and Electrical, SCR. Because YouTube, just for some reason, out of nowhere, I kept getting these random fire alarm videos on, and as soon as I watched the second one, I fell in love with this. Unfortunately, being fire alarm type engineers and all that is hard and pricey. But with my brain, I could build my own and then possibly somehow sell them to get money, plus the YouTube money, which I have not, for some reason, have not gotten yet. I mean, I love YouTube. YouTube's thumbs up, whereas, like, I don't know, Snapchat is thumbs down for me, mainly because Elon decided to take over it, and he's planning on supposedly making that like a private app or some dumb bull crap like that. But anyways, if you want to see this video, I think this one should be reviews. No, this one should be reviews. Subscribe, and my other video. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, just so you know the secret message, I want to show you my small camera. I'm always keeping an eye on you.